sponsor to the AIDC 101 workshop, SICK. SICK's going to tell you a little bit more about some of the technologies they provided at this workshop.
Yeah, thanks, Mike. And maybe just to showcase here our RFID. RFID was a big topic of the workshop today. So right here, what I'm demonstrating in my hands, I have a UHF interrogator that's used to actually read the different type of tags that is used in logistics or manufacturing for track and trace. And SICK is really investing pretty heavily in this type of technology in order to, be a part of a solution that people are looking to implement as far as for their track and trace needs. So, our device actually has an antenna that's integrated with a controller behind it, and that allows it to basically work very well with a barcode reader. So if a customer out there is really used to doing track and trace with barcode and they want to supplement with an RFID reader, you can just swap this out, put this in with a very similar type of configuration, get your read. So thanks for visiting us here at the SICK booth, and look forward to working with you soon.
Thank you.